So this is what I take on just a day trip. I'll take it for a night stop with my suitcase, just not on its own, because if I was actually staying for one night, I don't really like carrying so many things. If I know I'm just going to be at the hotel, I'll pack a spare shirt, pyjamas, all my toiletries, and that's it. But I wouldn't put it in this bag, I'll put it in another bag, which I will show you guys another time. So this is called the Trip Full Circle Flight Bag. It's about £15. You can get it from trip.co.uk or you can get it from Debenhams. I think the colour black is sold out because it's such a popular brand, because you do get 5 years guarantee. So if it is beginning to wear out and stuff, you can always go back. As you can see from mine, I don't know if you guys can see that, like it's ripping. I've only had it for a year because I've only been flying for a year, so I do think I need to go back and get a fresher pair. But yeah, so that's really, really good. So let's get into it. What is in my bag? So in my bag, what I would normally take with me, I'll take a gilet. You guys don't really need to see that too tough, but I'll take a gilet. Basically you wear that when you're serving passengers. I'll take my hat box, which is somewhere, and I'll fit that in, or sometimes I hold it. I don't hold it. I'm not going to say sometimes I hold it, I don't hold it. And what I do have in this bag, which is a bit bizarre, I have I don't know why I have it here. I have a flannel. So when I'm, need to scrub it up myself, I've got one there. I've got facial wipes, cleaning wipes. These ones I think I just got from Primark because I just saw them anyways. But I always carry these anywhere I go because it's just an essential part of life. You need to have these. What I do have as well is an adapter. You need one of these. Do you know what, one time I was on standby and I brought this small flight bag with me. Didn't bring anything really. But I brought my charger because I thought, I need my charger when I'm on my phone. And they said, oh really, you doing a night stop? And I was like, oh my gosh, I even forgot. I didn't bring a spare shirt or anything because I thought, because the next day I was actually operating a flight, so I thought they wouldn't call me to do anything like ridiculous because I've got a long day tomorrow. And obviously I only had one adapter in my other big bag, so I had to obviously go up to Boots and get one of these. It's like £8. So now I've learned my lessons that every bag I have one of these adapters, because I don't know when I might be night stopping anywhere and you always need these. So an adapter. What else I have? I have bizarrely hairpins. Maybe just to pin my hair. When I used to have like a shorter fringe, it used to be getting in the way, so I always needed one of these. So I think I learned my lesson and I bought these, even though look at it, it's a full pack, as I've never used it, but I have that in my bag. And I have a notepad, but this is a messy one. This is a notepad I had when I started training, and I've kept it with me just so that I remember things and stuff. And it's just like, it's like a holy grail. It's my notebook. If I need to write something down, if I need to just look up on something that I wrote in basic, my form of English, I go to this W.H. Smith notebook. A pen? You need a pen, because all the time when you're on board and stuff, you might need to write something down, especially when you're leaving an aircraft. You need to fill out certain forms and stuff, so you need a pen. Also, every time you do a landing card, someone doesn't have a pen, so they ask you to have a pen, and I'm like, yeah, I do. So you give them a pen. So that's why I have that. Now let's get to the exciting stuff, mate. Let's get to the exciting stuff. So what I have my makeup bag. Okay, so in my makeup bag, I take this. Sometimes I don't actually really take this because I just think it's just so much stuff that I have in my bag that is just not needed. But I take this. And in this bag, what do I have? I have this is what I have. Okay, so there's different types of clear bags you can get. I used to use, of course, the standardized plastic clear thing, but it rips and stuff. When you're doing a long trip, you need something that is a bit more sturdy, you know what I mean? Like, so right now, this is my bra. This is the bag I have. You guys are gonna be like, it's so big. It is quite big, but I'm allowed with, you know what, they allow me with this one, which is quite good. They allow me with this one, so I actually need a new one because it's actually ripped. But this is my favourite. It's compact. It has everything in there that you just need. So this is what I take with me. And in this bag, I have a lot of things. So let me show you. So so important is that if you do have a skincare routine, try and stick to that skincare routine when you're en route and when you're away from home, because when you're up in the air, your skin, everything, you're wearing makeup all the time, it can really wear you out and stuff. And I'm saying looking young, youthful and just protecting yourself is the best thing ever. So really focus on that. And I'm looking like this because I actually filmed a get ready with me, how I do my makeup and my hair for work. But and I did say this is on a good day. I normally don't wear even as much makeup like this when I go to work, only because I like my skin to breathe. You're wearing makeup every single day and piling it on so much, I don't want to take it off and it's like a whole mask and it's like, whoa, you look hell crazy. So that's why I always use less makeup. But that is what is in my bag. So that goes in my bag, and that goes in my bag, and other things goes in my bag, and that is it. So that is what is in my bag. I hope you guys found that very useful, and if you want to see what's in my suitcase or you want to see more things with aviation, just let me know and I'll do it, and I'll tell you guys. Obviously I can't tell you everything about it because I still work for a company, but if you want to know, just know my personal experience of how I find it working for an airline and stuff, I'll let you guys know. Alright, but thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon with another video and another chit chat